What's good, everybody? First, I want to go ahead and start off by saying Happy New Year to all my supporters out there. I know it's been a minute since I last uploaded a video. 2020 is here, you guys. I'm going to try to stay more consistent. But starting off with this haircut, I will begin to saturate my client's hair with water because we are going to go ahead and trim down the top. So just to make it easier for both me and the client, I like to go ahead and spray down his hair with water. So starting off with the very front, I'm gonna go ahead and use that section as my guide for the entire haircut. But I do like to leave the back a little bit shorter than the front usually. So what I always like to do is I always like to tilt my hand back as I'm going backwards. That way I'm leaving more of the length on the front. Now for the design part on the back, I always like to go ahead and start off on the top one first. And that's only because like once you go and do the bottom part, it's going to be a whole lot easier to be able to see what you're doing since the top part is already done. All you got to basically do is just follow what you have on top and then you'll get the nice design that you want. Now for the fade, whenever I do the little design on the back, so the bald part is going to go ahead and start at the very end, right where the tip of the design is, and then I'm gonna work my way over the ear. And since I'm not gonna leave any hooks on his haircut, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the guideline right there at the temple peak point at the corner of the lineup. Also, it's very important that you guys work with really neat guidelines, just because it'll make your haircut turn out a lot better and just being a lot more organized. So definitely keep that in mind. Now here for the actual fade, I will be using the magic clips. And starting off, setting off my first guideline, I have the no guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about an inch. And notice I'm keeping the same shape that I did my first initial guideline, which was with the trimmer. So I really just have to follow whatever I was doing to go ahead and create the new guideline. But here I'm just going back in with the T-outliner just to go ahead and bump up the line and make it easier to go ahead and fade once I go back in with the no guard with the lever all the way close. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm just flicking out about 1/4 of an inch, working my way up throughout the whole entire head. And then here pretty soon I'm gonna go ahead and open the lever halfway and then continue to do the same thing. Continue to blend up And I always like to go back and forth with the lever all the way open and all the way closed and halfway. Pretty much do whatever you guys need to do to get rid of the dark spots and imperfections. Now here I went ahead and attached my number 1 guard, and again, starting with the lever all the way open, I'm gonna go ahead and create a new guideline, this time going up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, just because we're gonna need a lot more room to go ahead and blend. And since we do have that room, I am able to go that much of a gap. So yeah, definitely take advantage of it, because I really do like to go ahead and stretch out my blends whenever I'm blending. I feel like that will make the transition a lot easier and a lot better. So now that I finished with the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, I have the half guard, and what I'm gonna be doing right now is just trying to lighten up that bottom line little by little, starting with the lever all the way open and then working my way all the way closed to go ahead and get rid of the bottom line. But notice I'm going little by little. I started with the lever all the way open, went halfway, and now I'm going all the way closed. So So now here I'm gonna go ahead and separate the long hair from the short hair and basically get it ready to clipper over comb the side. And when I go in with the clipper over comb, I definitely want to leave a little bit of hair at the very top. That way, once it's all nice and done, since I left the long hair on top, it's gonna look pretty much completely blended in to the long hair on top. Here I'm going back in with the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, just to go ahead and finish off blending the part of the fade that I felt wasn't completely blended in with the clipper over comb. So yeah, I'm basically just cleaning it up, doing some detail work to go ahead and finish off the fade. Now to go ahead and begin the lineup, I'm gonna go ahead and clip the long hairs out of the way, and I will trim down the little baby hairs in the very front. That way I'm able to see like exactly where his natural hairline is, and then just go in with my babyless trimmers just to go ahead and line them up. So now here I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 little parts to the side of his head just to give it that extra little touch and make it the complete look for his haircut. But you guys, that was the cut. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, I would appreciate it if you guys hit that thumbs up. Also leave your guys' comments and feedback at the comment section down below. But like I said, you guys, it is a brand new year, so I will definitely try to be more consistent. And also for my Latinos, I am gonna go ahead and try to upload in Spanish. Voy a intentar a subir más videos en español para todos los latinos que no hablan inglés. Entonces, estén esperando para esos videos, van a seguir muy pronto. But you guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JZepeda the Barber. But that's it from me this week, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.